Castlemead. Ensuring you are covered. Brexit. What's the issue? On the 23rd of June 2016, 51.9% of the UK voted to leave the European Union, with 48.1% voting to remain. With such a close run decision, naturally the negotiations that have followed have been very challenging. With high levels of regulation and interconnection between the UK and EU financial systems, and with the complexity of millions of policies incepting prior to the end of the transition period and expiring after it, the insurance industry is potentially one of the most impacted sectors. International commerce is now more of a challenge, with many UK companies needing European companies to deal with regulatory or sales challenges. What is it? Whilst a trade deal was agreed in 2020, no equivalence was reached for insurance. This means any European risk needs to be insured and paid for in the EU. We regularly see the following risks that need local cover. Employees domiciled in the EU, more common post the pandemic. Assets in Europe other than stock temporarily in transit. An EU domiciled subsidiary. What is the relevance to my insurance? If you have insurance that is issued on grey paper, i.e. UK policies that cover European risk, the contract may be voidable in the event of a claim. This may be equally relevant to a European policy covering UK risks. Insurers have exploited a transitional arrangement where they can be EU registered but without a passport into the UK. We see a small amount of EU risk driving policies to be issued in English on EU paper. Whilst this works well for the insurer, complaints and legal enforcement introduce a cross-border challenge. What are the regulations? Insurance Mediation Directive. Any party mediating on insurance needs to be regulated in the UK or EU. What is the small print? Policies now contain jurisdictional restrictions and clauses that restrict illegal payments. These will only be used in the event of a substantial claim. What do I need to do? Castlemead are experts in international insurance programs and are partner members of the GBN Insurance Network. We also have an EU subsidiary to aid placing insurance policies with modest EU insurance risk. Download our white paper explaining what to do. Castlemead, where small print matters.